ఈ వీడియోలో మనం అండర్స్టాండింగ్ ద సెల్ఫ్ పేపర్లో ఫస్ట్ యూనిట్ సెల్ఫ్ యాజ్ హ్యూమన్ రిసోర్స్. ఇన్ దిస్ ఫస్ట్ యూనిట్ these are subtopics are there. First one is cognitive resources of the self, and the second one affective resources, and climatic and genetic conditions. These are the most important topics in this first unit. Okay, I will explain one by one. Cognitive resources of the self. In this mainly, the first of all, if you will see here, self as human resource. Exactly how to develop our self capabilities and self resources. Cognitive introduced by the Benjamin Bloom. The cognitive domain introduced was the great psychologist Benjamin Bloom. What are the cognitive resources? Cognitive resources are knowledge, understanding, application, analysis, synthesis, evaluation. These are the cognitive resources. What is knowledge? What do you know? That is knowledge. And which is you learn if you will understand. The second step is understanding. And after that, the student can applicable that concept. I will give one example. Suppose one student learn traffic rules lesson. After that, he utilized the concept or knowledge. Like that. And after that, the most important topics in this unit: independent thinking, critical thinking, creative thinking, and decision making. Independent thinking. Independent thinking is always correct. If you will take any decision in that time, we can take the self evaluation, and after that self concept is most important. Then we can take the decision if you will any situation. So independent thinking is the self-esteem. And after that, critical thinking and creative thinking. What is the difference between critical thinking and creative thinking? Generally, critical thinking is a analytic, but creative thinking generative. Critical thinking probability, but creative thinking possibility. Okay. Critical thinking, it is a reason, but creative thinking is a associative. So entirely both are different. Critical thinking is left side of the brain, but creative thinking is right side of the brain. Like that, right brain, critical thinking is left brain. Like that. Okay. And after that, a decision making and problem solving. A decision making is the necessary. If any person can take the decision, if he faced any problems in that time, he can take the decision. So problem solving in the sense, when the time of faced the problems, that time we can solve the problems easily. Okay. That is the problem side. In that time, we can use the independent thinking. Okay. And after that, affective resources. In this mainly, see once here, affective resources. In this mainly, feeling of love, appreciation, emotions like fear, anger, jealousy, affection, happiness. These are the affective resources. Suppose if you will see here, the feeling of life and love and appreciation, these are the most important in the classroom situations or if human being and between human relationships. These are the most important emotions in our life, and in classroom atmosphere also, depending on this. Love and appreciation is the necessary in the classroom interaction between teacher and student. Emotions like fear, anger, jealousy, affection. In this mainly, fear and anger is very uh, in this these two, fear and anger is the most important roles in our life. These are the especially fear and anger always the uh, take the different roles and create the different lives. So, when we avoid the fear and the anger and the jealousy, then life leads its a good way. But anger is also important role in our life. But sometime only anger is useful to our life, and remaining time this is it will give to the life will through the spoil. So that is the jealousy and anger, fear are the emotions um, is not correct in maintained in classroom atmosphere and in their life. And after that, it's very important topic. And next one is empathetic understanding of geographically climatic and genetic conditions. Climatic and genetic conditions are so most important roles in our life. Suppose if a person where that he born, when he born in suppose he borns in any climatic conditions areas, suppose in climatic conditions like that, in cold areas and hot areas, if you will take any area, so regarding that climatic condition also based on his attitude and nature, it will change. Different people their attitude and behaviors also can change regarding climatic conditions, like that. After the genetic conditions also, genetic conditions also is most important role in any person life. Okay, genetics also can support their life to lead their life. These are also main causes to physical differences. Mainly, climatic and genetic conditions are most important conditions causing of the physical differences. So, physical differences is based on the climatic and genetic conditions. Okay, do you understand? Thank you so much.